What if you could manifest anything you desire in your life? The truth is, you already have the tools to create the life of your dreams. As Robin Sharma once said, everything is created twice, first in the mind and then in reality. We are energetic beings, extensions of the one source of all that is, and we have the power to shape our reality. Today, we're diving into the 4 key tools you can use to manifest your desires: imagination, focus, feelings, and action. Let's explore how you can use these tools to create a life of bliss, abundance, and fulfillment. But before we dive in, let's take a moment to understand why these tools are so powerful. Many of us have been conditioned to believe that our dreams are out of reach, that we're limited by our circumstances or abilities. But the truth is, you are limitless. You are a creator, and everything you see around you started as a thought in someone's mind. Your imagination is the birthplace of your reality, and when you combine it with focus, feelings, and action, you become unstoppable. So let's begin this journey by exploring the first tool: your imagination. Your imagination is your most powerful tool. It's where every creation begins. Think about it. Every invention, every piece of art, every business started as a thought in someone's mind. Life is a dream, and you are the dreamer. Whether you're building a house, writing a story, or creating a business, it all starts in your imagination. If you've been conditioned to believe that dreaming is unrealistic, it's time to reclaim that power. Your imagination is the blueprint for your reality. But how do you nurture your imagination? Start by giving yourself permission to dream. Let go of the fear of being judged or labeled as unrealistic. The greatest minds in history, Einstein, Tesla, Da Vinci, were all dreamers. They used their imagination to see possibilities that others couldn't. You can do the same. Spend time each day visualizing your ideal life. Picture it in vivid detail, the sights, sounds, and emotions. The more you practice, the stronger your imagination becomes, and the more real your dreams feel. Remember, your imagination isn't just for big, life-changing goals. It's also for the small, everyday moments. Imagine yourself having a productive day, acing a presentation, or enjoying a relaxing evening. The more you use your imagination, the more you'll see it manifesting in your reality. So, dream big, dream often, and trust that your imagination is the first step toward creating the life you desire. Where you place your focus is what you grow. If you're constantly giving your attention to negativity, whether it's your own struggles or the problems of the world, you're feeding that energy. But if you focus on visualizing what you want, you're expanding those desires into your reality. Your attention is like a spotlight. Whatever it shines on grows. So, choose wisely. Focus on the life you want to create, not the problems you want to avoid. But how do you maintain focus in a world full of distractions? Start by setting clear intentions. What do you want to achieve? What kind of life do you want to live? Write it down, visualize it, and keep it at the forefront of your mind. When you catch yourself drifting into negativity, gently bring your focus back to your goals. This takes practice, but over time it becomes second nature. It's also important to be mindful of what you're feeding your mind. Are you consuming content that inspires and uplifts you, or does it leave you feeling drained and discouraged? Surround yourself with positivity, whether it's books, podcasts, or people who encourage you to dream big. Your focus is a precious resource, so guard it carefully. When you focus on what you want, you're sending a powerful message to the universe. This is what I desire, and I'm ready to receive it. Your feelings are your internal compass. You don't need external guidance to know what's right for you. Your good feelings will show you the way. When you feel joy, excitement, or peace, you're in alignment with your true self. On the other hand, bad feelings like doubt, worry, or fear are signals that you're out of sync. When you notice those feelings, it's time to shift your focus. Every thought you have is creative, and your feelings are telling you whether those thoughts are leading you toward happiness or away from it. But how do you use your feelings as a guide? Start by tuning into your body. Notice how you feel when you think about your goals. Do you feel excited and inspired, or do you feel anxious and doubtful? Your feelings are a direct reflection of your thoughts, so pay attention to them. If you're feeling bad, ask yourself, what was I just thinking about? Often it's a thought of lack, fear, or unworthiness. Once you identify it, you can choose to shift your focus to something that feels better. It's also important to practice self-compassion. If you're feeling down, don't beat yourself up. Instead, acknowledge the feeling and remind yourself that it's just a signal. You have the power to change your thoughts and, in turn, your feelings. The more you practice this, the more you'll stay in alignment with your true self, and the easier it will be to manifest your desires. Imagination and focus are essential, but action is what brings your desires into reality. Inspired action feels effortless. It's a natural flow of energy that aligns with your thoughts, feelings, and focus. When you take action from this place, it feels like bliss. Action doesn't have to be grand. It can be as simple as saying yes to an opportunity or making a decision that moves you forward. Remember, action is the bridge between the mental and the physical. But how do you know when to take action? Trust your intuition. When you're in alignment, you'll feel a sense of clarity and confidence. You'll know what steps to take, even if they're small. The key is to take consistent action, even if it's just one small step each day. Over time, these small steps add up, and before you know it, you've created something extraordinary. It's also important to let go of the need for perfection. Many of us get stuck in the planning phase because we're afraid of making mistakes. But the truth is, mistakes are part of the process. They're opportunities to learn and grow. So take action, even if it's imperfect. The more you act, the more momentum you build, and the closer you get to your goals. Now, let's bring this all together with a powerful visualization. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Imagine yourself standing in front of a large wooden door. Behind it is your dream home, a place created just for you by your creator self. Step inside and feel the textures under your feet. Walk through the rooms, touch the walls, and feel the love and abundance surrounding you. This is your sanctuary, a place where you feel relaxed, inspired, and at home. Now, imagine your soulmate walking through the door. Feel the warmth of their embrace, the joy of being with someone who loves and appreciates you completely. Your friends and family arrive and you see only the beauty in them. You're surrounded by love and laughter, and you feel deeply connected to everyone in your life. Next, visualize your dream career. You're doing what you love, and it doesn't feel like work at all. You're passionate, inspired, and fulfilled. Money flows effortlessly into your life, and you have the financial freedom to live on your terms. You're abundant, wealthy, and deeply grateful for the life you've created. Feel the joy of doing what you love and being rewarded for it. See yourself interacting with others, sharing your unique gifts, and making a difference in the world. You're a money magnet. Wealth flows to you effortlessly, and you have the time and resources to enjoy it. Every beat of your heart brings more abundance into your life. You're living in a state of gratitude, knowing that you're supported in every way. But how do you maintain this abundance mindset? Start by practicing gratitude. Each day, take a moment to appreciate what you already have. The more you focus on gratitude, the more abundance you'll attract into your life. It's also important to let go of limiting beliefs about money. Many of us have been taught that money is scarce or that it's hard to come by. But the truth is, money is just energy, and it flows to those who are open to receiving it. Finally, take inspired action. Look for opportunities to grow your income, whether it's through your career, investments, or side projects. The more you align your actions with your desires, the more abundance you'll create. Remember, you are worthy of wealth and success. Trust that the universe is here to support you, and take the steps necessary to create the financial freedom you desire. Now, it's time to surrender your desires to the universe. Trust that what you've visualized is already created. The universe is here to support you, and you'll receive all the clues you need to align with this reality. Follow your good feelings. They'll guide you every step of the way. Every time you walk through the door of your current life, close your eyes and superimpose your dream life on top. It's already done. You're already there. But what does it mean to surrender? It doesn't mean giving up or being passive. It means trusting the process and letting go of the need to control every detail. When you surrender, you're saying, I've done my part. Now I trust the universe to bring my desires to me in the perfect way and at the perfect time. This trust allows you to release anxiety and doubt, making space for miracles to happen. Surrendering also means staying open to unexpected opportunities. Sometimes the universe delivers your desires in ways you couldn't have imagined. Maybe it's a chance encounter, a sudden idea, or a twist of fate that leads you exactly where you need to be. The key is to stay flexible and open-minded. When you surrender, you're allowing the universe to work its magic, and you're free to enjoy the journey without stress or worry. Finally, surrendering is about staying present. It's easy to get caught up in the future, constantly wondering when your desires will manifest. But the truth is, the present moment is where your power lies. When you're fully present, you're more attuned to the guidance of your feelings and the opportunities around you. So surrender the timeline, trust the process, and focus on enjoying the here and now. You are the creator of your reality. You have the power to manifest anything you desire. A dream home, a loving relationship, a fulfilling career, or financial abundance. Use your imagination, focus on what you want, follow your good feelings, and take inspired action. Repeat this visualization daily and trust the process. Remember, everything is working out perfectly for you. You are magnificent, and you have the power to create the life of your dreams. As you move forward, keep these tools in mind. 1. Imagination. Dream big and vividly. Your imagination is the blueprint for your reality. 2. Focus. Keep your attention on what you want, not what you fear. 3. Feelings. Use your emotions as a guide. Good feelings mean you're on the right path. 4. Action. Take inspired steps towards your goals even if they're small. And most importantly, surrender to the universe. Trust that your desires are already on their way to you. Stay open, stay present, and enjoy the journey. You are limitless and your dreams are within reach. Take a deep breath, feel the power within you, and step boldly into the life you've created.